Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about Herculist. This is one of my favorite places to post anything about an opportunity or whatever you're doing. So this is absolutely amazing. So you definitely want to become a gold member. So click on the link down below so that you can become a gold member. I believe it's like, I don't know, $45 a lifetime. So it's super, super cheap. I believe it is 45. I can't remember. I know it's super cheap, but click on it and that'll make you a lifetime gold member. Right here, you'll be able to have an affiliate link, so when someone does join you as a gold member, you will get a percentage of that. So that helps you out in keeping your marketing for free. Also, with gold, that's going to allow you to stand out over here. So you can see these other ones are free. These are gold. So this allows you the opportunity to kind of stand out and be able to, be able to stand out over on that section. It does get very noisy in here because there is a ton of classifieds going on. So sometimes you just have to close them, but you do have to remember this is something that you want to promote also. So these ads are going to pop up just like if you buy one of these packages. So this is absolutely one of my favorites is these ads right here. I mean, you get 20 smart list submissions, 4 Herculist submissions, 3 mega mails, and a buyer list submission. And I can tell you, I can see them coming into my inbox so you can read them, get an idea what other people are doing, what's going on with traffic. Maybe there's something that kind of triggers your eye and what you want to do. I can tell you right now, this is probably 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏, and just keeping that basic. I'm doing this video for 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏 because I use this right now for 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏, but I have multiple programs so you can switch and alter daily, put whatever you want. Right here, you'll be able to do these prime ads or monster blurbs. Any of these are absolutely great. Traffic bomb is my favorite. So definitely take advantage of that. Okay, awesome. So right here, it'll show you the Herculist Gold Lifetime Upgrade is only $49 and never pay another membership fee. Highly, highly, highly suggest that. But right here is Traffic Bomb, and it is one of my favorites. It's $39 and you get all this stuff. Definitely worth it. I find that better than doing a solo ad with Udemy, but definitely up to you, and you can test out your URLs right here. You can do all kinds of things. There is a lot of noise. It definitely does keep you busy. If you don't want to watch any of this, or you're good with what business you have, not a problem. All you want to do is just come in and make your post. Now you can come up here at the top and do add mailers. When you do add mailers, it's definitely going to bring up another ad, and that's the thing. That's what this thing does. Sorry, let me log back in here. And you want that to be your ad. So there is going to be a lot of ads, but those ads are because people are wanting you to get in here and see that. There's usually another ad here, maybe since virus scan is here. Just go to members. It'll seem like you're going in circles, and I probably am right at the moment because I had to log back in and give my screen a moment. So right here, you will see another ad. You can go ahead and close it on the far left-hand corner. And then here, we're going to go to add mailers. McAfee keeps closing everything. And here's going to be another ad. Just go continue to add mailers. And then here's where you can submit your ad. So here you do get regular mailer. Over here on the right-hand side is another ad. Close it. And here we can do the regular mailer. You can resubmit a previous ad, so you can just click on that. So you can come in here and spend less than 3 minutes. It just depends if you want to do that. Click on continue to add mailer history. So the ads are always showing. So here you can resubmit the ad. If you like that one, just do it. Resubmit it. Down at the bottom here, I can resubmit this ad, and you can see everything in here. You can see that on the far right hand side, it would also submit that same ad. So you can be quick and fast, make your ad and then move on. So here, it's not the last day, so what do we want to do here? I really should be redoing this because a lot's changed here. June 4th, quick heads up, one-time lifetime admin fee is increasing. And I think I just need to do a whole new ad, but you can see how you can place this ad right in here. I also use HTML source, but you don't have to. And I will do another video on that. But this is a great way to plug in HTML, click on the source, paste in your source, and then you can preview it. That makes these clickable. It makes it easy for people to click and see stuff and do submit ad. On the far right hand side, it is going to allow you to use your credits. So right now I only have 8,060 credits. So it says 500 credits minimum. One member is reached for every 2 credits. So 500 credits, which is going to be one member is reached for every 2 credits. So here I will just do my ad and then I'll plug in 500 and submit. This will allow you to have 2 of those ads out there and then they are done. One of the other things about being gold is that you can also jump into this middle section and post a blast, and it's on the main page here. So let's see here. Sorry, my screen takes a moment when it's sharing. Come on. So here in the middle, you can submit a blurb, and these are blurbs. So you can put in your blurb, and when someone clicks on it, so they click on it, it'll take them directly to their page. And here you still can get some credits at watching this. So this is their ad. So now you can just hit next, and you can watch a few of these, get some ideas on different things that are going on out there. Sometimes I like to watch, see what people are posting. Where's it going to take me? What's promoting? But you don't have to. But this is the Herculist blurb credit. So it's taking a moment. So it'll be much quicker when I'm not in there. But here you can see all this stuff too on the far right hand side. Just click on your account, go to home, and then create those blurbs. So this just allows you to be in multiple sections. Like we said, this is a very busy website. Let me close that out. Right here, just submit that blurb. You can see someone else just submitted. So all you have to do is click on submit blurb. And there's another ad. I was like, boy, that's weird. Continue to the blurb. And then here's all those current blurbs. So here I know this is Power Lead System. I don't know what these others are, so maybe if I wanted to know, I could click on those. But here you can submit your blurb. You just fill out your website and put your information down below. Now I wouldn't do this as HTML code. It's all just going to be text and hit submit. So you can see that you have to have your credits also. I'm not real sure about the keys and how that works, but there's definitely videos in here. But this is a great way to go ahead and promote your business. It can be any business, and you can start learning about other things. You can also, put people's names in there. Leah just launched, new mailer, let you send daily. So tons of stuff in here to learn. Great way to get your message out and really enjoy Herculist. So go ahead and click on this, start as a free member, check it out. Right here is the video. It kind of walks you through and what some of the stuff, the wording means. You can earn credits, you can be an affiliate program, and go ahead and upgrade to that gold, which is $49 and never pay a membership fee again. You become an affiliate and share it with others. If you have any questions, please go ahead and post down below. I'll see you on my next video. I appreciate your time and wish you a great day. Bye for now.